What is going on, guys? It's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing awesome. And today I'll talk about how to start an affiliate marketing business for beginners. I am an engineer. Also, I have a master in business administration, specialized in finance degree. And I started to make money online with affiliate marketing because I didn't want to rely on one source of income. With that being said, guys, I'm going to show you always the big picture or the steps. So the first step, guys, is that you need to choose a category and a product to promote. So if you can buy the product, is better because you are going to have some level of expertise. Then you need to create a bridge page or landing page. And you can use a lot of software. I use GetResponse for that. You can use ClickFunnels also if you want. Then you need to create a YouTube channel and a TikTok account. The fourth step, guys, is the crucial, because remember that you need to do some things consistently over a period of time to get results. And here I'm talking about you need to upload content. And this content, you can tell a story about the product you are promoting. 5, guys, always take massive action when you are going to start something new, right? With that being said, guys, we are going to deep dive right now. And as you can see in the screen, this is my YouTube channel and I have 536 subscribers. And let me tell you something, that I have been making money with this channel when I got less than 100 or 200 subscribers. So don't get discouraged when you are going to start a brand new YouTube channel, because you can make money. And also remember that you need to put in the work and start uploading content every single day. I'm going to switch here, and this is my brand new TikTok account, and I have here 5 subscribers and I am uploading content. Then I'm going to show you, this is a landing page I made for a ClickBank product. And when people subscribe to this landing page, the emails appears here on the list. So, and this is crucial, guys, because you need to build your affiliate marketing business for long term. And what I mean by that is that you can send them newsletter with valuable information, with trainings, with videos, and also send to them affiliate offers. So this is simple, guys, and this is easier than study an engineer degree or an MBA degree. And I'm not saying that those things are bad, but if you have a job, you can add another stream of income besides your salary, right? That is a smart thing that you can do right now. With that being said, guys, if you want to copy and paste my 3-step formula to make money with affiliate marketing, I'm going to put a link in the description below. And if you like this information, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.